In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a template in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and make sure you're on the main home screen. From there, look for the template section in the navigation menu and click on it. This is where all of your saved templates are stored, so if you've created documents for repeat use, you'll be able to manage them here. Once you're on the templates page, find the specific template you want to update. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one, since the changes you make will apply directly to that template. When you've found it, open the menu for that template and choose Edit. Then, click Edit again if prompted to enter the template editor. After a moment, the template page will load. This is the workspace where you can adjust the settings and content of that template. To lock the template with a password, go to Advanced Options. This area contains extra controls for how the template behaves, including security-related settings, so it's the right place to make this kind of update. Inside Advanced Options, click on the Template Password tab. This section lets you add password protection to the template. When you turn on the password protection toggle, DocuSign will prompt you to create a password. Enter the password you want to use, then type it again in the verification field to confirm it matches. As you do this, make sure you choose a password you'll be able to store securely and remember when needed. Since this password protects access to the template, it's important to keep it in a safe place. Also, type carefully in both fields, so you don't accidentally save a password with a typo. Once the password has been entered and verified, click Save. This saves the password protection setting within the template options. After that, you'll be taken back to the previous page. From there, click Save and Close to finalize the change and exit the editor. You'll then be returned to the templates list. At this point, the template is now locked with a password, meaning it has an added layer of protection before it can be accessed or modified, depending on your DocuSign setup. And that's it. That's how to lock a template in DocuSign. If you're managing important or frequently reused templates, adding password protection is a simple way to improve security and help prevent unwanted changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.